Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your one-stop hub for enriching knowledge and experiences. We are dedicated to delivering content that not only enhances your knowledge, but also enriches your life experiences. Today, we're turning the spotlight on a fascinating topic: 10 experiences that make you smarter. We'll explore how these experiences can stimulate your brain, broaden your perspective, and ultimately make you a more intelligent and well-rounded individual. So stay tuned as we delve into these life-changing experiences. First on our list is the experience of learning a new language. Imagine yourself being able to converse fluently in French, Spanish, or Mandarin. It sounds exciting, doesn't it? But the benefits of learning a new language extend far beyond the thrill of understanding and being understood in a different tongue. When you learn a new language, you're not just memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. You're training your brain to think in new ways, to make connections between different concepts, and to adapt to unfamiliar structures. This cognitive workout can significantly boost your memory and attention span. Moreover, the process of learning a new language immerses you in a different culture, broadening your perspectives and enhancing your understanding of the world. It's a fascinating journey that enriches your intellect and empathy. So, make learning a new language a part of your journey to becoming smarter. After all, a sharper mind and a broader worldview are just a language course away. The second experience that can make you smarter is traveling. Just imagine yourself stepping off an airplane, surrounded by the unfamiliar sights and sounds of a new city. It's not just about ticking off countries on a list, but diving into the heart of different cultures. It's about tasting local cuisines, joining in on traditional dances, and attempting to communicate in a foreign language. Traveling propels you out of your comfort zone. It challenges you to navigate unfamiliar terrains, solve problems on the fly, and adapt to unexpected situations. It's a crash course in resilience, adaptability, and resourcefulness. Moreover, traveling broadens your horizons. It exposes you to diverse perspectives and ways of life, fostering empathy, tolerance, and open-mindedness. It's a real-life education that textbooks can't provide. So pack your bags, open your mind, and let the world be your classroom. Remember, every journey you embark on is a step towards becoming smarter. The third experience is one that's under your nose: reading books. It's not just about absorbing facts and figures. The act of reading is a journey that can take you to different places, times, and even alternate realities. It's a workout for your brain, enhancing your vocabulary, improving your comprehension, and broadening your perspective. When you read, you're not just passively consuming information. You're actively engaging with the material, questioning it, and forming your own interpretations. This is a potent exercise for your critical thinking skills. Moreover, reading stirs your imagination. It invites you to visualize characters, settings, and events, to hear voices and feel emotions. It's an immersive experience that stimulates your creativity and empathy. Reading is also a form of meditation, helping you relax and focus, providing a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. So, let your book be your guide on this journey of knowledge. At number 4, we have engaging in debates. Now, debates are not just about proving a point. They are an intellectual exercise that flexes your brain muscles. Think of it as a gym for your mind. When you participate in a debate, you're not just arguing. You're honing your critical thinking skills. You're learning to see the world from different perspectives, which is a key aspect of emotional intelligence. Debates teach you to form logical arguments and articulate your thoughts clearly. They improve your communication skills, and let's face it, we all could use a little boost in that department. But perhaps the most valuable lesson debates offer is the ability to disagree respectfully. In a world filled with diverse opinions, this is an essential skill. Engaging in debates broadens your horizon, challenges your biases, and forces you to think on your feet. So don't shy away from a good debate. It's a stepping stone to becoming smarter. The fifth experience that can make you smarter is learning to play a musical instrument. It's not just about creating beautiful sounds or rhythm. This practice has a profound impact on your cognitive abilities. When you learn to play an instrument, you are essentially training your brain to think faster and sharper. You're teaching it to process multiple things at once: the notes, the rhythm, the dynamics, and more. Think of it as a mental workout. It improves your memory as you remember the notes and the sequences. It enhances your attention span, as playing an instrument requires intense focus. It also boosts your problem-solving skills as you constantly figure out how to create the right sound or hit the right note. And there's more. Studies have shown that musicians often have enhanced mathematical abilities, improved reading comprehension, and better motor skills. So pick up that guitar, piano, or any instrument you fancy and strum your way to being smarter. Next up, we have doing puzzles. You might think of puzzles as mere pastimes, but they are actually brain-boosting activities that can make you smarter. When you solve a puzzle, you're not just fitting pieces together. You're actively engaging your brain in a complex problem-solving process. This process requires a keen attention to detail, as you need to identify patterns, colors, and shapes. This sharpens your observation skills and enhances your ability to focus. Moreover, puzzles stimulate your cognitive abilities. They challenge your logical reasoning, spatial reasoning, and even your memory. And the beauty of puzzles is that they come in all forms and levels of difficulty, from jigsaw puzzles to crosswords, Sudoku to Rubik's Cubes. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced puzzler, there's always a new challenge waiting for you. Puzzles are not just about the end result, but the journey of problem solving and mental growth. So go ahead and embrace the challenge of puzzles. The seventh experience that can make you smarter is practicing meditation. Meditation, it's not just for the spiritually inclined. It's a tool all of us can wield to empower the mind. When we meditate, we encourage our mind to focus, to declutter, and to relax. This results in a significant reduction in stress, one of the major roadblocks to effective learning and problem solving. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular meditation can also enhance your emotional intelligence. It's like a workout for your emotional muscles, strengthening your ability to empathize, manage your emotions, and navigate social interactions. So not only does meditation make you smarter in the traditional sense, but it also improves your emotional smarts. In addition, research suggests that meditation can even boost creativity and memory, further enhancing your intellectual abilities. So if you're looking for a way to boost your brain power, why not give meditation a try? It's free, it's easy, and it's incredibly beneficial. So practice meditation and unlock the smarter you. Experience number 8 is taking up a new hobby. Have you ever thought about how a simple pastime can turn into a powerful brain booster? Well, new hobbies are like open doors to unexplored territories of knowledge and skills. When you dive into a new hobby, your brain is challenged to adapt, learn, and grow. It's like taking your brain to a gym, flexing and strengthening those cognitive muscles. This can lead to improved problem-solving abilities, as you're constantly figuring out new ways to navigate through your newfound interest. Moreover, new hobbies often require a dash of creativity. Whether it's painting, gardening, coding, or even birdwatching, each hobby sparks your imagination in unique ways. This creativity boost can spill over into other areas of your life, making you a more innovative thinker overall. But the best part, hobbies are fun. You're learning and growing, all while doing something you enjoy. So explore a new hobby and let it be the catalyst to your smarter self. Experience number 9 is volunteering. The act of giving your time and effort to help others can have a profound effect on your intellect and emotional intelligence. When you volunteer, you interact with a diverse range of people, enhancing your interpersonal skills. You learn to navigate different personalities, cultures, and situations, which in turn broadens your perspective. But it's not just about improving your social skills. Volunteering often puts you in situations that are outside your comfort zone, pushing you to think creatively and solve problems in new ways. This can stimulate your brain and contribute to your intellectual growth. Moreover, volunteering increases your empathy. By stepping into the shoes of those you serve, you gain a deeper understanding of their experiences and challenges. This emotional connection can sharpen your emotional intelligence, a key component of being smarter. So serve others, and in return, serve your quest to becoming smarter. Finally, the 10th experience that can make you smarter is engaging in physical activity. Now you might be wondering, how can breaking a sweat make me smarter? Well, it's all about your brain health. Physical activity increases heart rate, which pumps more oxygen to the brain. It also aids in the release of a plethora of hormones, all of which participate in aiding and providing a nourishing environment for the growth of brain cells. Not just that, physical activity also improves memory and enhances cognitive abilities. When you exercise, your brain gets to exercise too. It becomes sharper, more efficient, and more flexible. You start to process information more quickly, solve problems more efficiently, and remember things more effectively. So it's not just about building muscle or staying fit, it's about creating a healthier, smarter you. So stay active and let your fitness journey be a part of your journey to becoming smarter. And there you have it, 10 experiences that can make you smarter. From learning a new language to volunteering, each of these experiences can enhance your intelligence in unique ways. Remember, it's not about mastering everything at once, but about embracing the journey of continual learning and growth. We encourage you to share your progress or experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more enriching content. Remember, the journey to becoming smarter starts with a single step.